Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. And today I'm in Cobb County in the city of Marietta, visiting a beautiful Taylor Morrison community called Hampton Trace. And guess what? The on-site sales agent invited me to come and have a look at this beautiful model home behind me. So without further ado, let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Let's go. Welcome to Hampton Trace, a new Taylor Morrison townhome community in Marietta, Georgia. This centrally located community offers 80 units, a dog park, fire pit, gazebo, and guest parking. The Kingston's price currently ranges from $464,000 to $506,000. It offers 1,967 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2-car garage, and the homeowner association is $904 biannually. Enjoy the Live Smart features such as thermostat, electronic door lock, Wi-Fi garage door openers, Ring video doorbell, LED lights, and carbon monoxide detector. Enjoy the tour. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely model home. As you can see, I'm in the owner suite, and right to my left are the beautiful windows bringing in the natural light. It's so cozy up here. Listen, when you talk about new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. You want to have representation. The builder has their sales agents who are on site to represent them, and you want to have someone to represent your interests. This particular community is perfectly located. You're close to the Battery, that's where the Braves play. You're close to shopping and dining, and also close to Wellstar Hospital. As well, this community is going to be nice and quaint. Won't be so massive. It's going to be about 80 units built here, and you'll be able to get to know your neighbors. Also, there's going to be a fire pit, a dog park, and a gazebo for your, time to be outside. Of course, we want to step outside the walls of our home and walk around our community. You'll have that option here. Listen, go ahead and get in contact with me. I would love to assist you. My information is right here. You can call me, text me, email me. I will respond. Find me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share. Click that notification button so that you can be notified of every single video that I have dropping, which is weekly. I can't wait to work with you, and we'll see you on the next video.